Power BI custom visuals to elevate your data storytelling. In today's data-driven world, storytelling through data visualization is more important than ever. Power BI is a top Microsoft Analytics tool. It lets users create insightful, attractive reports. Power BI has a robust set of native visuals, but custom visuals enable new possibilities for data storytelling. Custom visuals let users share complex ideas in a clear, powerful way. They boost understanding and engagement. This video explores the best Power BI custom visuals. They can enhance your data storytelling. Enhancing leadership in information security. Infographics are great for storytelling. They simplify complex data into easy-to-digest bits. These visuals use images, icons, and text to share data insights. They achieve rapid and successful results. One popular custom visual in this category is the Infographic Designer. This visual lets users add icons and images to represent data points. This adds context and meaning. Creating interactive narratives with play axis. Interactivity is a crucial component of effective data storytelling. The play axis custom visual adds interactivity to your Power BI reports. It animates data over time or across different dimensions. This visual is great for showing trends in data over time. Enhancing comparisons with bullet charts. For comparing performance to targets, bullet charts are a great tool. This custom visual, inspired by Stephen Few's design, shows a clear way to compare a measure, like actual sales, to one or more benchmarks, like target sales. The visual has a single bar that shows the actual value. The background shows the target range. Markers highlight performance thresholds. Bullet charts show data's performance. They indicate if it meets, falls short, or exceeds expectations. They make it easy for viewers to grasp performance at a glance. This visual is ideal for KPIs and metrics needing precise comparison. Deepening insights with Sankey Diagrams. Sankey Diagrams are a custom visual. They show flow and relationships in data. They are useful when you need to show how parts contribute to a whole, or how a whole breaks down into parts. The visual's unique design, with its flowing paths and varying widths, shows the data's key relationships. Simplifying complex data with Hierarchy Slicer. Many datasets have data hierarchies. It's vital to know the relationships between their levels for effective analysis. The Hierarchy Slicer custom visual lets users drill down into data. It provides a clear, organized way to explore complex datasets. The Hierarchy Slicer organizes data into tiers for user filtration and navigation. This helps them focus on specific data subsets while seeing the structure. A company might use the Hierarchy Slicer to view sales data. Conclusion. In conclusion, custom visuals in Power BI are a game-changer for data storytelling. They let users go beyond standard charts and graphs. They enable unique, engaging, interactive visual stories that resonate with audiences. Custom visuals can do a lot. They can simplify complex data with infographics and bullet charts. Using these top Power BI custom visuals will transform your reports. It will make it more accessible and compelling. These tools can help you tell stories. They can convey trends, compare performance, and explore complex data. They will inform and inspire action. In a world of data, telling a clear, compelling story with it is vital.